All right, what's going on? We at WPPI 2022, and I'm joined with Joe Edelman. How you doing today?
I'm doing good, Ryan. Good to meet you.
Nice, nice. Now, I just wanted to know, what is it that you have in store for WPPI this year, and how are you liking it so far?
So far, I'm liking it. I didn't make it in August, so I'm excited to be here. I'm doing two things this year. One, today, I'm doing a presentation about LED lighting.
Okay.
We're going to kind of rip the Band-Aid off and try and educate people about what they need to understand to be able to compare one light to the next, make the right choices. And I honestly think LED is the future, and I think the future's here now. So it's time for people to, maybe not rush out and buy it today, but really start to pay attention, get their head wrapped around it. And then tomorrow, we're going to do a photo walk outside. We're going to do my crazy beauty and fashion stuff that I do, but we're going to do it with found lighting, found backgrounds, whatever we can find right outside the front doors.
Okay. Now, for anybody trying to get in, started with LED light for photography and not video, is it any recommendation you have for them to start without, paying a lot of money?
Yeah, that's the key, right? Well, like anything else, sometimes, when it comes to gear, right, you get what you pay for. Right. So if you go too cheap, you're going to get junk. And it's not even so much that you're getting lights that are not bright. It's that you're getting lights that don't have good color quality. Right. So with LEDs, instead of putting power first, you have to put color quality first. So that's those things that we read about CRI. More importantly, TLCI, which is really the better one for digital cameras to pay attention to. You want to make sure you've got something with both of those numbers that are in the mid to high 90s. And unfortunately, you're going to pay a little bit more for that, right? So we're kind of at that tipping point. A year ago even, LEDs that were of high quality were really cost prohibitive for most photographers. Right. There's lots of change in the last year, and it's still coming down. Right. So that's why it's one of those things that, not everybody's going to be ready or be able to jump in today on LED, but LED lighting is really kind of how our mirrorless cameras were designed to work. Mirrorless cameras are WYSIWYG, right? What you see is what you get. You see the finished exposure, you see the finished depth of field, you see it all. Mm-hmm. But if you're shooting a strobe, well, you don't see it. You got to take a picture, and then you got to, hit that preview button to see if you got it right. With LEDs, you can see it all in real time.
Right. So once again, Joe, WPPI 2022, and LEDs. Is there anything else you got to say before we check out?
Just shoot like crazy. Pick up your camera, because remember, your best shot, it's your next shot. Thanks, Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate it, man.